son. Mama finna clean your room up and give you a new bed.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
So I actually built this crib, toddler bed in this room. So I don't know how I'm about to get it out this door. Hopefully it fits. So let's try. Thank you, Pooh. Let's see him up. Oh gosh, it won't fit through the door.
There it is. Thanks. Welcome to story time at the living room library. Shovel, Pam, would it be okay if I read your storybook?
Yeah. Okay.
Thanks.
Isn't life great?
There was a
This is where we are so far. This is where his old bed was. I'm thinking of putting the toys on this side, the bed along this side, and this is the chaos, and more toys on this side. I don't really know. Kind of not feeling it. Kind of thinking I want to put the bed back over here, which might end up
But it
happening.
felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Look, y'all, so much progress is made. I'm gonna still put the bed over there. I gotta go get it from downstairs. But look at this. It's so cute. It's coming along. I feel happy. I know my son's gonna be happy. He had a clean space. Like, get into it. So this is the bed I got off Amazon. It's Sesame Street, of course. But the reason why I got him a new bed was because the other one, he kept getting his legs stuck in between those little bars. So this one doesn't have that. He can get in and out the bed by himself. And I think he's gonna love it. So let me get to building this.
Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going what I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. I'ma be doing what you want. But it's been a few hours, but it felt like days.
So I'm all done. It's clean, everything's together. I put this bed together by myself. 2 days struggle, but it's done. Had the comforter set. And I was just about to get his reaction. Oh, you have look cool. Look at your bed. Come here. He trying to eat. He said, forget that bed, girl. Look at the bed, Pooh. That's what I struggled on. You want the rug? Go to the bed. Go touch it or something. Okay, I remember that.
That's all, folks.